Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this eyeshadow closure wig right here. The hair is actually giving me life and I am loving it. Look at the colors guys, and look at the curls. The curls are popping. The hair came in this right here, and it comes with a wig cap and eyelashes, and it also comes with a shower cap as well, or sleeping cap, if you may say, if I may say. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. Immediately I unboxed it, I saw the curls and I was like, wow, 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 wow. Despite the fact that the hair is colored hair, there was no shedding, no tangling whatsoever. I love the fact that the hair was very easy to install. It comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and bear in mind that you don't need any glue or gel to install the hair. The construction of the cap is glueless and it's very easy. And yep, I decided to go for glue because I was actually loving this hair immediately and I unboxed it. So I said to myself, no, I'm not taking this hair off anytime soon. I am in love with the quality of the hair. Throughout the styling of the hair, I didn't experience any shedding or tangling. The hair is really full and the curls are popping straight out of the box. Everything I did in this video is very self-explanatory and it's straightforward. All I did was just, apply 3 layers of glue and then place the lace exactly where I applied the glue, and then spray the icy spray on the hair, and then applied my elastic band on it, and then pow, that's it. Installation done and dusted. And then I cut off the excess lace off the wig. I also applied each protection spray on the hair so that I'll be able to use my hot comb, because I don't have my Kerry stick around me. So I spray the heat protection spray on the hair and then use the hot comb just to flatten the areas where I was going to apply the pads, and then boom, the hair is popping like popping. I love the color of this hair so much, and I love the fact that what you see on their website is what you get. The hair color, the hair quality, everything is top notch. This is my first time trying Ishowhair, and I must say I am really impressed with the quality of their hair. The quality of this hair is just out of this world. As I speak now, I am still wearing this hair. I received a lot of compliments wearing this hair, and I'm quite impressed with the fact that there was no shedding, there was no tangling, and the hair took to curls really well when I wet the hair. So as you can tell, you can go for this Beyonce kind of look, or Diana Ross kind of look. Just use your fingers to pop the curls out, if that makes sense. As you can see, all I did was just use my finger curl the hair, and I love it. You can wear it dry, you can wear it wet, but I showed you guys the 2 ways you can actually style this hair. Look at that, I felt like Beyonce. So yeah, I decided to show you guys how you could wear the hair wet. I used 3 stuff here. What I did was spray water on the hair, apply the mousse, and also curling cream, and that was it. The curls were popping. I love this hair, and I love the fact that the hair maintained the curls throughout the styling of it without any shedding or tangling at all. If you guys don't know Ishowhair are a brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace closure wig, they have lace frontal wig, they have colored wig, they have black hair, and they have all types of hair lengths and textures on their website. And the most amazing thing about this brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK, and also they normally have sales on their website every now and then, which is one of the amazing thing I like about them. So if you check out their website, you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. So Would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. I would definitely recommend this hair. In terms of quality, it's definitely a plus for me. In terms of their shipping, it's definitely a plus for me. And in terms of how easy it is to style the hair, it's definitely a plus for me. And in terms of the color of the hair based on their website, it's definitely a plus for me. It's kind of a what you see is what you get type of hair, and I am loving it. I am still wearing the hair as I speak, and I am still feeling myself. I actually applied a sheen on the hair just to give it a bit of glow. There was no nasty smell to this hair at all. I love the length of this hair. Very true to, full and true to length as well. So yep, if you're looking to get the hair, just go ahead and go for it. And in terms of the lace, it's definitely a plus for me. As you can see, the lace melted into my skin effortlessly, like effortlessly. I am loving this. I would definitely recommend that you guys check out their website. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.